Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Seek Show. Hope you already have subscribed to my YouTube channel to see this kind of videos, and please remember to click the notification bell icon down there. I have already unboxed this latest Huawei Nova 3i. I have given you a very brief little informations about this device and the settings, and today I am going to show you the camera settings of this Huawei Nova 3i. Okay, then you can see what are the settings, what are the things that we can do using these camera settings in the Huawei Nova 3i. Okay, let's go to the video, but before that please remember to subscribe for my channel and click the bell button down there to get the latest notification. And if you have anything to ask, please comment in the comment section and like this video, share this video with your friends. Okay, let's move to the today's video. Right, okay, this is it. You have the access to the camera settings in this manner, or you can use this icon. Okay, let's see one by one what are the settings available in the camera app. First you can see, I hope you can see, right, aperture settings. You can go to the aperture and portrait images, normal photos, video, and AR lens. That's how nice. And some effects, backgrounds, 3D objects, and many more. Right, so these are the settings. You can go to pro mode if you are a photographer. If you are a pro, you can set the ISO from 100 to 125, 160, 200 up to 320. Right, I will set it as auto mode. Then the shutter speed, you can set the shutter speed in this amount, shutter speed. Oh nice. If you are a photographer, you can use this device as your primary photography device. And this one, not a photographer, I don't know about these settings. And autofocus feature and black and white balance, I guess. Yes, the temperature. And so this is the pro feature. Let's close this pro feature. And what are the other things? Let's see about these settings. Oh my god, resolution is up to 16 megapixels. 12 and 10 you can set it according to your feeling. I'm going to use back, and you can set a GPS tag and watermarks, assistive grid, mute, timer, audio control, and touch to capture smiles, object tracking. So these are the camera settings. Okay, we can go to the video mode and check the settings. Video size, you can record your videos up to 1080 pixels, right, 160 frames per second. And so these are the video settings, same as photography. GPS tag is available, mute, object tracking. Okay, right, these are the camera settings that you can know. What is this? Beauty mode. Okay, and then the flashlight, AI camera. Let's check something. This AI camera. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the settings about the camera feature of the Huawei Nova 3i, and I will be back with another video, 3D objects, 3D lighting. So there are some other settings that I should familiar with those things. Still, honestly, I am using this now. It's almost 2 days I have bought from the Sri Lankan shop. Okay, I will be back with a new video like this. Hope you have enjoyed about the settings and the things that I have shown to you. If you have enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe for my channel and share this video with your friends, and do comment on the comment section and check the description section for links. And I will be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.